This video is about practice for graphing exponential and logarithm functions. Use the transformation to graph each function. Find the domain, range, and asymptote line for each function. First of all, we will find the domain. Domain for exponential function that's all real numbers. Range. When you have an exponential form, range will be greater than 0. Then you multiply by 2, positive 2, so stay. Then you add 1. Range will be y greater than 1. For asymptote line, that will be this constant number, y equals 1. Or you make this exponential form y equals 0. Then just multiply by 2, add 1. That's how you get the y equals 1. But it's easier to remember this constant number. Then write down y equals. That's for the asymptote line. I will draw asymptote line. That's y equals 1. Then we try to sketch the graph. For sketching the graph, we will find the parent function. Parent function will be y equals 1 over 3 to the x power. Then we got the table. X will be negative 1, 0, 1. 1/3 to the negative first power, that's 3. 1/3 to the 0 power is 1. 1/3 to the first power, that's 1 over 3. I will plot these 3 points. Negative 1, 3. Here. 0, 1 is here. Then 1 over 3. Let's go here. That's your parent function. For this parent function, you got to do transformation. For this 2, you will see vertically stretched by factor of 2. Then move to the left 4 and go up 1. Remember, insider is a liar. Whenever you have number with x, that's a liar. So move to the left 4. Vertically stretched by factor of 2, that means your y coordinate multiplied by 2. If I have 3 here, I multiply by 2, I go to 6. It's go here. Then this point go to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go up 1. Go here. The final point, I will put the cross. Then go to this point. This point, multiply by 2, y coordinate. That will be 2. Go here. Then go left 4, up 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. It's here. Now let's go to this point. 1 over 3 times 2, that's 2 over 3. Then I go to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1 is here. Then you connect these 3 points. This will be the graph. For B, this is a logarithm function. Domain, you will set up the argument negative x greater than 0. Then you divide by negative 1 both sides. You got the x less than 0. For range, that will be all real numbers. Your asymptote line, we just make a argument equal to 0. So x equal to 0. X equal to 0, that will be y-axis. we will get a parallel function that's y equals log base 2 of x. X here is y. For y, you get negative 1, 0, 1. So 2 to the negative first power, that will be 1 over 2. 2 to the 0 power is 1. 2 to the first power is 2. Find these 3 points. You got the 1/2 negative 1. 1, 0. 2, 1. That's the parallel graph. So for each point, we got to do vertically stretched by factor of 3. This one is reflect across y-axis. Then you go down 2 units. We do reflect first. Reflect across y. For this point, you will get over here. Then vertically stretched by 3, negative 1 times 3 will be negative 3. Go here. Then go down 2. You got these points. Then for this point, reflect across y-axis, go here. Then vertically stretch by factor of 3, still here. Then go down to 1, 2, we got here. For this point, reflect across the y-axis, go here. Vertically stretch by factor 3, so multiply by 3, go here. Go down 2, let's go here. Now we connect this 3 point. This will be the graph. For C, this is an exponential function. Domain will be all real numbers. For range, I will get this form, exponential form into y greater than 0. Multiply by negative 1, therefore you go to y less than 0, then you plus 2. Therefore y less than 2. Asymptote line will be this constant number. You will get the y equals 2. For parallel function, you got y equals 3 to the x power. Therefore, I got negative 1, 0, 1. 1 over 3, 1, and a 3. So we will plot this parallel function point, negative 1, 1 over 3. It will be here. 0, 1 here. 1, 3 go here. Then let's go to transformation. For this negative sign, reflect across x-axis. 1/2 means horizontally stretched by factor of 2, because inside is a layer. Then for plus 2 means go up 2 units. Therefore, for this point, reflect across x-axis, go here. Then your x coordinate multiplied by 2, go here. Go up 2, go here. For this point, reflect across x-axis, then horizontally stretch by factor of 2. X coordinate multiplied by 2 still here, then go up 2. That's this point. Now go to this point. Reflect across the x-axis, go here. Then horizontally stretch by factor of 2. That's go here. Your x coordinate multiplied by 2. Then go up 2. 1, 2, they go here. Then you connect these 3 points. We know the horizontal asymptote line is y equals 2. We will connect these 3 points. This will be the graph. For D, domain, that's we make a argument greater than 0. So we got x greater than 1. Range will be all real numbers. Asymptote line, that's we set up the argument equal to 0. So x equal to 1 will be the asymptote line. It will be this line. We will get a parent function that is log base 1 over 3 of x. Got the table. X, y, negative 1, 0, 1. 1 over 3 to the negative first power, that will be 3. 1 over 3 to the 0 power is 1. 1 over 3 to the first power is 1 over 3. We plot this parent function point. 3, negative 1. Go here. 1, 0. Let's go here. 1/3, and then that's 1 is go here. For each point, you just move to the right 1, down 4. This point, right 1, down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go here. This point, right 1, down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go here. For this point, right 1 and down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go here. Then we connect this 3 point. This will be the graph.